It doesn't matter where you go, does
No,
it?
no.
It just doesn't. I hear you were all out the other night, and
Yeah.
Sasha as well, yeah.
Yeah, it was a great old run around there.
Brilliant. It really is brilliant. What he hasn't learned yet is that very little dogs aren't as robust as
The bigger one.
yeah, and he's not managed to temper it between, they're all the same as far as he's concerned, the dogs, it's just putting the time all over them and cats on them,
Yeah.
shoulder barge them, and that's what you do. Don't worry, they'll sort each other out.
There was a funny little collie here just a minute ago, and he was coming up to me, so I had the ball, and he's watching me like that, going, boo, and Boo went up to him sniffing, and gosh, he was a proper collie. Yeah, because Boo sort of ran away, and I went, no, I'm not having that, and then sort of went back,
Went back at them, Wide stance, that's what we need.
Yeah, you bend your knees.
Yeah, bet you knees have a wide stance. Look at the state. God, you wouldn't think he was 10 months.